What's up? Shane Serrano here, and today we are at the Buttermilk Park. We're going to take a full lap from top to bottom to see what we're working with here at Buttermilk. Starting off with this first feature, we got a nice long handrail. Oh, buttery smooth. That's what we like right off the bat. Coming into one of my favorite rails, the waterfall. Yeah, baby. We got a really fun upper section of rails here, coming into the next down, flat down. That's what we like to see. And we got this crazy dragon tail rainbow rail. And then this wacky A-frame kink. And what a way to start off a run. Coming into the classic bridge roller. Fun little natural hip there. Oh, and look at this guy. We've got a new S-rail. Woo! Can't forget the wood rails over here. The sneakers. Yeah. This is my favorite wood pole jam too. Really fun spot for it. And then we're coming into another great roller. Nice and big, floaty. Woo! What a beautiful day we got here at Buttermilk. Beautiful blue skies, nice and cold. Little flat bar. The park has been super fun this year. Park crew worked hard to get it open nice and early for us with a lot of fun features. And then we've got the more lower angle skatey type features. See if we can get a tail press. Yeah. Got a nice A-frame here. And then this wacky rail with the fence in the middle. Woo! That's a scary one. And we got plenty of space to carve in the park. Coming into this rainbow rail. Yeah, that's a really fun feature. And then we're moving on to Jacob's Ladder. This is where the jumps live in the Buttermilk Park. We'll see what we got to work with here. Let's build that speed. Little nose grab starter off. Oh, feeling good. Good air time. Those jumps feel great now. Woo-hoo! And coming into the lower section, we got a nice hip. And we got some wacky rails in here. Things are getting a little creative. Check out this C-bar, C-rail up on the bank. Into a flat kink. Get that front three. Oh, we'll count that. Got one last rail here to end her off. See what we can do. Right into the bank. Buttermilk Park's providing a lot of fun rails, a lot of creative features. And we got jumps too. Let's rip this all the way to the bottom. Yeah. Over here is where they're working nice and hard to get the big X Games jumps ready. And we're at the bottom for a full run, top to bottom at Buttermilk. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. And that's gonna do it. There's our full run at the Buttermilk Park. Super fun features. Always a fun time, Buttermilk. Check you later.